Democratic Party presidential candidate Lee Jae-myung is stepping up efforts to overhaul his party by legislating bills and reshuffling the election committee.
Lee Jae-myung has said repeatedly he feels remorse for things that could have been done better. Recently, he apologized again by saying those who do not fulfill their responsibility deserve to be reprimanded.
지금까지와는 완전히 다른 변화되고 혁신된 새로운 민주당으로 거듭나겠다는 의미로
The DP held a meeting to discuss key pending bills. He disclosed a large portion of the party's meeting and strongly urged his party to process bills on improving people's livelihoods. He called on the ruling party to use any means possible, including fast-track legislative procedures, if the rival parties fail to reach a consensus.
현안들은 최대한 책임 처리, 신속 처리해내고 또 그게 어려운 점이 있다면 패스트트랙 등 관련 제도들을 활용해서
The DP is prioritizing passing bills related to SMEs' right to organize, the restitution of development profits, and expanded time off for civil servants and school teachers. 2 hours after Lee's apology, some key members of the DP's leadership said they would resign en masse.
새로운 민주당을 만들기 위해 선당후사의 마음으로 일괄 사퇴의 뜻을 함께 모았습니다.
Not only the party's election committee, but the party itself will likely be reshuffled. Meanwhile, on Thursday, he met with female reserve officers to hear their opinions on sexual violence in the army and other concerns.